On November 20th, 2021, this strange man was caught standing in front of this lady's door. Even after the lady reported him to the police multiple times on multiple of occasions, the police weren't able to do enough to keep him away, and he stuck around for a couple more minutes. What is even creepier is that the lady has no idea who this man could be, and why he would even be standing at her front door. After this video was posted to social media, it immediately went viral with many commenters concerned for the safety of the lady, and many saying that she probably has a stalker. The lady did do an update and said that her family confronted the man, and that security has been on the lookout for him. He has not been seen since. On November 8, 2022, a chilling incident unfolded when a couple captured unnerving footage on their doorbell camera. The video depicted a group of masked men with creepy face coverings approaching the door and covering the camera. We can discern the actions of the men when they briefly uncover the camera. It seems they are crouching down, possibly attempting to pick the lock. In the comments, numerous individuals speculate that the men may have intended to break into the house. Others suggest they might have been attempting to deceive the homeowner into stepping outside, possibly for a robbery. Despite any attempts at persuasion, I personally doubt I'd feel safe enough to leave my house in such a situation. As a result of detecting motion outside, the homeowner woke up and attempted to confront them.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Even though the homeowner tried talking to the men, they didn't say anything back. They actually left the property in the neighborhood before the police could get there. A homeowner in Texas would wake up to find his back gate open. Curious, the homeowner would check his cameras to find something disturbing. In this footage, we witness a scary scene of a man in a clown suit trying to break into a house. Armed with a knife, the creepy clown first checks the front door, trying to open it with a threatening look. When that fails, he moves to the back door, making the situation even scarier for the unknowing people inside. The clown's boldness and evil presence can be felt even through the camera, making it one of the creepiest things ever caught on film. Who knows what this clown's intentions were, but one thing is for certain. His appearance and actions on that eerie night left a lasting impression of fear and uncertainty. In this video, a mother and her son are stalked by a mysterious figure as they head home. The tension spikes when the stranger tries to open their door. But the mother has luckily securely locked it. Many may wonder what this man's true intentions were. Fortunately, we can only assume through imagination. Curious about who is trying to get in, the mother confronts the intruder. But the strange man doesn't respond and eventually leaves. Who knows this man's true intentions? In this video, the homeowner's 3 kids are playing on a trampoline when suddenly a man appears in a white van. The man is seen attempting to lure the kids in by offering the kids donuts. Luckily, the oldest realizes the severity of the situation and is able to take charge quickly, getting her sisters to go inside, locking the door behind them. The man leaves soon after. And there you have it, folks, a chilling glimpse into the eerie occurrences captured by doorbell cameras. Keep your senses sharp and your cameras rolling, because you never know what mysteries might unfold right outside your front door. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more spine-tingling content like this.